Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel. I don't know what you're doing, but hi, my name is Kenzie May, and I love to do my makeup. Addicted is not a light term to use here at all. This is gonna be a fun one. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a bun. I'm going to show a neat bun and a messy bun because it was requested of me to teach how to do a bun. Now, story time. When I was in kindergarten, so I think that's 5 years old, my kindergarten teacher taught me how to do a bun because I had no clue. So shout out to you, Miss Ainsworth, you're the greatest. I still use the same bun technique to this day. So how she taught me, you can do this different ways. You could completely roll your head over, or you can just run your hands through your hair so then they're going back. But what you mainly do is grab your hair like it's gonna go up into a high ponytail. Now I do always have my hair curled because I work in a nicer setting, and so I feel like I need to have my hair done, and curling it just is a little easier for me than, I don't know, doing something else. So you're gonna get your hair into a high ponytail. Doesn't matter if there's lumps or bumps in your head area, at least in my opinion. I feel like it just adds character. What you're gonna do next is take your ponytail like you're going to wrap your ponytail holder around it, but instead you're just going to twist. And I twist towards my head. So you've twisted your hair toward your head. What you're going to do next is go the opposite direction of the way that you just twisted. So what I do is, as I am twisting, I just bring my hair collectively around the mound that I just created. And there you go, there's a bun. Now to secure it, I do always keep a tail towards the back, and I keep my thumb down over it. While I'm putting this elastic around the base of my bun, I make sure that I have secured that tail into that band, and then you twist and one more time and you should be done. If anything ever sticks out and you don't like it, you can always tuck it in, and then it looks nice and neat. So that is one way that I do it. Let me take this out and I'll show you my other way. The next way that I'm going to show you is my messy bun. I didn't figure out how to do a messy bun until literally like 4 months ago. So I'll show you guys how I learned. Again, we're gonna act like we're getting our hair into a high pony. You're going to take your ponytail holder and you're going to put it around your ponytail. And I have thicker hair, but in order to keep it secure, I do it 3 times. So I do one around the base, so then it's a normal ponytail. And then you pull your ponytail through, not all the way through, because we're going to, again, do a little twist. Grab this, grab the mound, grab the extra hair, and you're just going to pull it through that ponytail holder. So it looks really wonky. This is the fun part of it all. You get to take these pieces that you don't like and you get to tuck it into the rubber band. So essentially you get to create your own bun. Now I didn't understand this for the longest time, but basically just go around and start tucking in those little tiny baby hairs that you aren't very fond of. Or like, I'm not particularly fond of this little piece here, so we're just gonna twist that around, and I'm tucking it under. And there you go. There you have a messy bun. And if you want, you can pull on your pieces up here. You can pull a couple baby hairs out. It is all up to you. You can leave little pieces sticking out. I honestly feel like it adds character to the bun if you have little pieces sticking out. But yeah, that's how I create a messy bun. So specifically, Kaiten, I'm going to put your comment here. I hope that I pronounced your name correctly. You've been very supportive throughout my whole journey. I hope that this little tutorial helped you at all. And let me know if you'd like to know other things, like how to curl your hair, how to straighten your hair, all that great stuff. I'd love to teach you. just let me know. I hope you have a great day, night, rest of your week. I don't know when you're watching this, but have a great time doing it unless it's something terrible. And I'm sorry. So if you have any comments on future videos, comment them down in the comment box down below. I would absolutely love to know what you guys would like to see. Try my best to accommodate and do what you guys request. I hope you guys have a great day, night, week, rest of your week, weekend. I don't know when you're watching this, but have a great time doing it unless it's something terrible. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!